All right, baby, come on. Come on down here. Diego, come on.
Don't disconnect that, you did. You just disconnected it, that son of a bitch.
It's all right, you can lean over.
The water smells like dog.
You just put that on the video. That's so nice. Come on. Come on. Come here. Good boy.
When I got him as a running start, I didn't get him. I mean, with the video, he took a running start off the stairs. He was airborne. It was unbelievable.
What video?
I didn't catch him on video. It was just I walking outside. He ran airborne and dove in the pool.
He's doing his laps. Now, you want to see this?